Okay, I am about to do a flight with this RC Era C189 helicopter. I just repaired the right hand side servo, had a bad motor, so I replaced that because it was crashing twice. And now I'm flying these with my own 3D printed blades with damping introduced in the blade grip. Check out my other video. I explain how I am doing the damping. It also has my own little tail rotor there that I made because I broke the original one, not realizing that there was a spare one in the box. And so these are my blades. This is all in order to get a lot more smoother control on the rotor head. Otherwise, it was a little too abrupt for my liking. And so hopefully this video will capture that. My next door neighbor's kids are out, so they also get a kick out of watching these little helicopters. So let's see what happens here. Okay, here we go. Calibrating the radio. Actually, let's see. Might be low on battery. Yeah, it's low on battery. Okay, I'm gonna have to charge it. How are you? We're gonna fly this in a little while.
Remember Jackson?
I just painted the blades, the tip blades, just to give it a little color there.
Remember Jackson?
Do I remember who?
Jackson?
Justin?
The Jackson.
What is that?
Remember Jackson? He drives one of your planes? Actually, he does.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Right. I don't remember it.
Huh?
I don't remember that.
Yeah. And Jackson, he's my cousin.
Oh, he's your cousin. Okay. I think I know him. I think I've seen him before. What's your name? What's your name?
Micah?
Michael. Oh, yeah. I remember.
Micah.
What is it?
Micah.
Michael?
The Micah.
Micah. Ah, how do you spell it? M?
ICGA.
Wow. That's an interesting name. What does it mean? It sounds like Michael, right?
Yeah, but it's
Micah,
Micah.
yeah. That's a very interesting name. Cool name. That's a cool name. It's a thumbs up name. Right? Okay, I'm gonna.
I know your name is Mario.
That's right. My name is easy to remember.
Huh?
My name is easy to remember, right?
Yeah.
It's like Mario Brothers, right? Mario Brothers, you know the cartoon.
Yeah.
I love talking to little kids. They are fun.
I know it. I know your name because I watched the trailer of it.
Ah, okay.
But the new Mario.
Uh-huh.
Trailer of the new Mario.
Yeah. Reminds me of my little kids and also my grandkids. Okay, I'm about to get the battery. It should have a little charge, but we'll do a flight here. I'll be back, okay? I'll be back. Okay, battery. We got a battery. Hopefully it'll have a little bit of charge, so that so we can see it fly again for a little bit. Hopefully. Okay. Okay, here we go. 3D printed blades. What do you think? Kind of cool, huh? Oh, battery's low. Battery's low again. I have to fully charge the battery. But for this test flight is good enough. Also, my neighbor is enjoying the flight. I thought I'd come out while there's light and just fly it. It's working very nice. I like these blades with the damping on the blade grip. Oh, there it goes. Battery's low. That's it. Battery went down. I can go higher. This thing will go really high, but it's not safe to go too high, because then I can't control it. Because it's okay. It's done. It's just a quick flight here. Hopefully, it'll showcase the function of the blades with the damping, as I mentioned in my other video. Mario, once again, stay tuned for more.